Welcome to the gold analysis. Okay, guys, so today gold got rejection on the 4 hour untested candle, right? It got two rejections actually. We did not test the 4 hour range trend, but that kind of counts as a test because levels, or in this case, trends are levels, and we tested the last level of the trend, right? So we basically also tested the trend. We might still go there and reject the trend, not really important. We have a little move down here. Let's go to the 1 hour. I'm not really sure we are going to hold. We uh, we did test this 1 hour. We broke through, so it might be a 1 hour reverse. We can still hold it in the future, or we kind of broke this previous polarity. Um, as you can see, after we breaking up this, it's not just a straight polarity. Well, it is on the 4 hour, but on the 1 hour it just kind of laddering, right? But it still is polarity, okay? Polarity from the past, resistance turning into support. It kind of deep dives, so I believe that it's either creating a range here or we might break down, honestly. So if we break down on a 4, we still have the 4 hour untested candle here. We still have a 1 hour inside here, right? So this is also a good resistance level from the past, combined with the 1 hour untested candle here. And we move down after breaking this 15-minute range uptrend. Let me go there. It was a really good range uptrend on the lower time frames, guys. As you can see, creation, continuation, confirmation. It tries to break down. It holds that 1 hour untested candle, right? We don't need this anymore. It was also an untested candle, but this one is inside that previous one, right? So tries to break down, it wasn't able. Test that previous level that was untested, right? Comes down, probably retests this 15 here, holds the 15 trend, goes up, rejects that 4 again, the yellow line here. Also this polarity, but I believe we broke the polarity there. Yeah, even yesterday on this candle, I told you guys that we probably were breaking the polarity, and we did. We reject on a 4, so on a 15 holds it again here, breaks down, back test the trend, and after that we just laddering start laddering down, right? But we need to understand that we already were laddering down here, even on a 1 hour, I believe. Yeah, as you can see here, after this candle, yeah, I'm not even going to oh, sorry. So 1 hour, right? Ladders, ladders, ladders. This is now untested. We don't need this anymore. It might turn into support, turn into resistance, but I'm gonna delete that because it's really close to that 1 hour. So, but yeah, you need to understand that we can reject that support, turn into resistance, right? And on the 15, as you can see here, this 1 hour is just breaking, right? We created that 1 hour, sorry, right? We created that 1 hour. It wasn't able to stay above that. Dives there on the 5, I believe. Yeah, on the 5, we have the break here, the break confirmation. Tries to go to the resistance level. It goes to the resistance level. It wasn't even going to that greedier level, just rejects the backside here, right? We have a peak here, we have the backside here, and the greedier level here. It doesn't even go there, it doesn't even go to this one, right? It goes to the backside here, it doesn't go to this one. So this is kind of a confirmation that the price is failing. When we don't go to the greedier levels, normally the price is just failing. Not on all time frames, okay, guys. Just here we could easily, as you can see on a 1 hour, we test everything. unless this one here, right? On the 15, sorry. On the 1 hour, we test everything. Also on the 15, this one was just the one that we did not test at least yet, and the price just breaks, right? But on the 5, we weren't testing all the greedier levels, and the price just starts failing. So on the higher time frames, on a daily, we are holding the support here, right? We might be creating also, well, not creating, we already have a possible daily uptrend here, right? Let me turn that into blue. So daily uptrend, and we are holding the daily support. We also tested everything on the top on the daily. We have some 4 hour levels that can still hold it down. Polarity can still hold it down, but right now, not testing that 4 hour trend is kind of bearish for me, at least for this range, alright, guys? Because it's kind of, well, it's almost the same as that 5. So we have the 1 hour here, right? We just test the backside here, that is actually a 4. So the price is kind of failing to attack those greedier levels, and when this happens, we start going from to the opposite direction, right? So this is what I believe we are doing here. We are probably going to the bottom here, unless, well, we have the 4 hour. This 4 hour can turn into resistance if we close and open a candle below the body here. It doesn't even need to close below. We might just turn this into a resistance candle for the future. So on the lower time frames, for me, we are kind of starting a bearish move here, at least to the bottom, maybe to the polarity here, to the 4 hour or to the 15. No, the 15 here is tested, so that's kind of the base of the move. We have the 4 hour untested, 1 hour untested, and these two can still hold the price. And we have the possible creation of the daily uptrend. So these are my levels as a future support if we actually break down this range, okay? Because we can still create some accumulation here and move up. Okay, so this is all for today, guys. Thank you so much, and see you guys tomorrow.